Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Abdul Rahman presenting you another video. English. One of my friend requested me to make this video in English, so I made this video. Okay, so what is today's topic? Today's topic: how to fix the issue of sudo apt-get update. So first I tell you what is sudo apt-get update. Okay, just a second. Okay, so this is sudo apt-get update is query of updating Linux distribution resources. Okay, so when we install new operating system, new laptop or in VMware, okay, so we need to continuously update our Linux distribution packages. Okay, so this query is used for upgrade the packages. Okay, so if you install new operating system, so you must need to update your Linux resources. Okay, if you not update your Linux resources from the official websites, so it just gives you error just like this. Okay, as you can see that this gives you an error, something like this. So is that clearly means you did not update Linux repositories resources. Okay, so what is the solution? So solution is simple. You just visit the official Kali website. Okay, sorry, Linux website. Just type Linux SOUR resource.list. It gives you the official website, as you can see that kali.org, and now you get the query. Okay, you just copy this resource. Okay, and just paste at here. So now okay, actually this is belong to a Linux server address that has a lot of repository available. Okay, so now we added the new resource on our file. Let we see the file. Now etc is just etc apt. This is the address. Okay, so as you can see that we have successfully added this resource list. Okay, query. So now we let we run the command. So now we just wait for a while. Okay guys, as you see that we successfully update our Linux repository. Okay, so I just will pause this video so we can save our time. Okay, so we will again update enter our query. Okay, as you can see that now it's not take more time. Okay, so now it's done. Okay, so we will successfully fix our issues that regarding sudo apt-get update query in the video. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.